What if I told you the future of digital advertising is not coming? It's already here. Google Marketing Live 2025 just wrapped, and it was an absolute AI explosion. If you are running ads or even thinking about it, you need to know these game changing updates. Get ready to supercharge your campaigns. Let's dive right in. The biggest theme: AI is now the engine of modern marketing. Google search is evolving, and so are the ad opportunities. First up, ads in AI overviews are expanding to desktop. You know, those AI powered summaries at the top of search results? Your ads can now appear directly within them, placing your brand right at the heart of discovery. This is huge for accelerating the path from discovery to decision. And get this, Google is testing ads in AI mode. This is Google's new conversational chatbot style search experience. To help you leverage these new surfaces, we have AI Max for search campaigns. This is Google AI supercharging your ad performance with a suite of targeting and creative enhancement. It expands your keywords to find untapped performant queries with broad match and keywordless technology, all with more control and transparency. And here is one of the biggest bidding innovation in a decade. Smart bidding exploration. This is not just optimizing for past performance, it actively pursues less obvious but potentially high performing searches, giving you the chance to appear in more moments where people are researching and discovering. Think of it as predictive bidding that uncovers entirely new opportunities. The next update was about creative and brand management with AI. Content creation often feels like a bottleneck, right? Not anymore. Google AI is transforming creative workflows. Google is integrating powerful AI creative tools like VO3 for video and Imagen for images directly into Google Ads and Merchant Center. This means you will soon be able to generate product imagery and even video creatives automatically. Imagine image to video transformation in AI outpainting that intelligently expands videos beyond their original frames. This is a massive time saver and content velocity booster. To make this even easier, Google is launching Asset Studio, a new centralized hub within Google Ads for all your creative tools. It will be your go to for generating, managing, and optimizing your ad assets. Product Studio is also getting an upgrade with a new Generated for You feature. It proactively analyzes trends to suggest fresh campaign concepts, featured products, and even discount ideas, making your products truly stand out. And for holistic brand control, Merchant Center is evolving into a comprehensive brand and content hub. Retailers will soon be able to manage their brand profiles directly on Google Search, ensuring consistent and impactful representation. Plus, new video management tools in Merchant Center will act as your mission control for all video content, centralizing videos from your website, YouTube, and social channels, and offering AI suggestions to enhance them for promotions. Here is we have the most anticipated update, and this is all about Performance Max and campaign controls. Performance Max continues to be our powerhouse, and Google is giving us more control and transparency than ever before. A highly requested feature is finally here: campaign level negative keywords for Performance Max. This gives you much more control over where your ads appear, enhancing brand suitability and ensuring you are reaching at the right audience. The high value the high value new customer mode is now rolling out to all advertisers. Using your customer match data, Google AI will predict and bid more for new users, likely to maximize lifetime value for your business. For retail advertisers, brand exclusions are getting more flexible. You can now apply brand exclusions separately to search tags ads and shopping ads, giving you granular control over your branded traffic. Transparency is key, and Google is delivering. We are getting channel performance reporting for Performance Max so you can finally see how different channels like search, display, and YouTube are performing within your campaigns. And yes, you heard that right. A full search term reports for Performance Max is here. Just like in search campaigns, allowing you to see exactly what queries triggered your ads and add negative keywords directly. And this is huge. So the next update is all about measurement and data advancement. Proving ROI and leveraging your data effectively is more crucial than ever. Google is making enterprise-grade measurement accessible to everyone. Incrementality testing is now more accessible with lower spend thresholds and a new Bayesian-based methodology, meaning more businesses can run controlled tests to measure the true lift driven by their ads, not just last-click conversions. Within Google Analytics 4, expect enhanced cross-channel measurement, including impressions across Google properties and other platforms. This helps you better map the full customer journey and accurately calculate ROI. With privacy at the forefront, Data Manager is being introduced as a centralized tool to help you collect, store, and activate your first-party data securely. It's built with confidential computing and even offers recommendations to improve your data strength. A new Data Manager API will also streamline connecting audience and conversion data. Imagine having your own AI analyst. The Google Analytics data expert will proactively surface insights and trends, enable easier data exploration, and even help troubleshoot campaign issues, empowering better decision making. The most exciting update is here: Agentic AI and the future. Google's version for AI extends beyond just automation. It's about agentic capabilities, intelligent tools that proactively guide your campaign setup and optimization. These agentic tools are rolling out to provide helpful assistance with onboarding, campaign creation, reporting, and troubleshooting. It's like having your own Google AI marketing assistant. And get ready for Marketing Advisor, an AI agent that will live inside your Chrome browser. It will provide proactive, step by step guidance tailored to your campaigns and goals, helping you diagnose issues and uncover opportunities in real time. This really ties back to smart bidding exploration. It's an agentic capabilities in itself, helping you move from reactive optimization to proactive discovery of new, high performing opportunities. The future of advertising is all about AI working as your co pilot, not just a tool. So, what does this all mean for you? The message from Google Marketing Live 2025 is clear: embrace AI. Start exploring these new AI powered tools in Google Ads Manager and Merchant Center. Review your Performance Max campaign and leverage the new controls and transparency features. Dive into the enhanced reporting in Google Ads and GA4 to get deeper insights. Test, learn, and adapt. The landscape is changing rapidly. These updates are designed to help you drive next level performance and connect with customers in entirely new ways. Don't get left behind in this AI revolution. If you found this breakdown helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more digital marketing insights, and let me know in the comments which GML 2025 updates are you most exciting about. See you in the next video.